U.S. President Joe Biden is ready to call an end to the COVID-19 pandemic as a federal emergency on May the 11th, but his Republican opponents have already started the audit.
As chairman, I intend to focus this committee's attention and resources on its core mission to ensure our government is working for the American people in an efficient manner. Agencies guard taxpayer funds from fraudsters and ineligible participants, and political leadership be held accountable for bad consequences of their policies. Last Congress, Democrats strayed far from this mission.
Even though the pandemic began on President Donald Trump's watch, his fellow Republicans want to bring Democrats to book. And now that they're in control of the House of Representatives, they have the muscle to do it. Republicans have been very vocal in announcing their intention to investigate everything from Joe Biden's management of the pandemic to his family's business dealings. And the House Oversight Committee is a very public forum for doing that. But Democrats on the committee have been equally vocal in accusing Donald Trump, who's now running for the 2024 presidency, of completely mishandling the pandemic. Fraudsters hit both administrations, with one estimate suggesting at least $60 billion, but possibly as much as $100 billion was stolen from COVID-19 relief programs, totaling $4.6 trillion.
The Secret Service has seen the full spectrum of pandemic-related fraud. This included N95 mask schemes, ransomware attacks targeting hospitals, the wide use of stolen identities, and inmates applying for benefits.
More than 1,000 people have either pleaded guilty or been convicted of defrauding COVID-19 relief programs. Government auditors say agencies weren't prepared for the scale of fraud, and they failed to implement risk assessments to stop abuse of the Paycheck Protection Program aimed at compensating millions of laid-off workers. They're calling on Congress to pass laws for better financial controls in government agencies, though the Secret Service warns that criminals will continue to exploit disasters. Owen, Fairclough, CGTN, Washington.